So I stopped promoting my digital products about 6 months ago. I did a little side quest. And the funny thing is that I thought that the digital products would just stop selling. I thought that the business would kind of just stay stagnant, kind of like a physical business would. Like if you're not there or if you're not doing anything with it, then nothing is going to sell. But that actually wasn't really the case. I haven't promoted anything in about 6 months and stuff has still been selling. And I mean, I will say that it's not selling to the highest level, but it's definitely still selling. And I think that the reason why that's happened is because I've had really good systems in place and I found the formula by accident, I think, to set up your digital product business so that if you decide you want to take 6 months off, or if you don't want to show up every day, then it's actually still going to work. So I want to tell you about exactly how I think that's happened and some of the different things that have helped. So the first thing I think that helps is obviously having a system in place where you're creating content that's in your style or that suits you and works with your lifestyle. So I have tried every single different type of platform. I've tried TikTok, Instagram, oh my god, just everything. I've tried everything. And I always landed on YouTube because I always felt that was the most natural for me when I was talking, how I was doing things, how I can explain things. I like being able to do little tutorials and things like that when I've got my computer. That's just the way my brain works. I feel like that naturally came to me. So that's what I leant towards and that's what I started creating. You can see on my channel, that's what I've done. You can see the 6-month break that I've taken as well. I'm going to talk about my little side quest a little bit later on. And because YouTube, basically, if you create evergreen content, which is content that will last for a long time, which people are still searching for far into the future, your videos are going to last for such a long time. I would say the lifespan is 6 months. So it was actually a really good experiment. Whereas with my physical business, it worked a little bit differently. I did lives. I did lives on TikTok and I did lots of content on TikTok. I got one TikTok video that had 12 million views. Ugh. I wish that had been something that I'd done for my digital business. It was also by accident. And I started to notice little patterns in social media about how different things work, which is why, sorry, my camera keeps slipping, which is why I think it's important to choose a platform that actually suits your lifestyle. You have to create so much content these days and it has to be so ingrained in your life that the old style of me making videos, which if you look on back on my channel, this is why I'm doing this new style of video now, is me sitting down. I'm very robotic. It's not me. No one can connect to that. No one is I trust this girl. She's so cringe. I can't even. But then with my physical business, what I learned is that I got to be myself way more. And I think that when it came to attracting views on TikTok, when I was doing my physical business, I was able to be a little bit crazy and it got the views. So anyway, I'm kind of going on a little bit of a sidetrack. You can see this is just how my ADHD brain works, unfortunately. But yes, picking a platform like YouTube, I think, for me, has been part of the success that the digital products have been, because people can keep seeing the videos over and over and over and over again, not just once, like a 24-hour story or anything like that. It builds way more credibility and trust, and the videos last for a long time and people are still searching for them. And because everything can go into that description box or in your bio or anything like that, it doesn't even matter if you're starting with no followers or anything like that. People can still go watch your videos and go to the links in your description and either buy your product, shop your affiliate links. You know, you can make, once you get like a bit more established and you get more subscribers and things like that, you can get YouTube AdSense, but I wouldn't rely on that because it's really inconsistent. And obviously, because I haven't posted in 6 months, that ad revenue has gone down. That is the first thing. So that would be YouTube. The second thing is that the system that I actually use to sell digital products or promote affiliate offers, anything like that, is System.io. I will preach that till I die. I swear it is so good. I love it because you can do so many different things with it, and you can also do as little as you want with it as well. Everyone always gets really intimidated by software and things like that, but you can learn as much as you want to learn with a software, or just learn the only things that you want to do. So if you're looking at other people and they're doing all this crazy stuff and you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I could build a full website like that. Well, you have to kind of come back to, what are you doing? What are you actually doing? Are you selling digital products? You're doing affiliate marketing? What is the goal? If your goal is just to do that one thing, just learn that one thing for now and then move on to the next thing. You don't have to overwhelm yourself. So System.io basically will sell your digital products for you automatically via the sales pages, and you can set up email campaigns, and it just runs without you. I haven't touched my system literally in about 6 months. I just, oh my gosh, I feel like I've abused it or something, but I haven't touched it in that long. And it's still there, it's still set up, everything is still running. I think I've got like, I don't even know how many subscribers on the email list now. I think when I started it was 0. Last time I checked it was 5,000. I don't know what it's like now, but you can capture email leads, like everything once you set it up is done automatically, and your only job is basically to get people to look at it. And I haven't done that for 6 months because of YouTube. So that would be the second thing I would say, is that System.io is definitely the key, or having any kind of platform that does all of that stuff. Payment processes, funnels, newsletter integration. And then as like a little side bonus that I think is absolutely incredible, I still have not found another tool like this, is that System.io has an affiliate program. And so if anybody signs up to a System.io and buys like a paid plan or anything like that, you get a commission. So you could also do like a whole side quest and start a whole business just about System.io if you wanted to. So these sort of other things that have happened in the background that I worked really hard on for like, it probably took me 10 years to get this point. Like, to be honest, it's not gonna, you can use all of my knowledge and all my experience that I've done for the last 10 years and watch these videos and just know that the information that I'm telling you is exactly what I've done and exactly what's happened, because this is also me. Oh, I stopped on that. Ding, 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 ding. So System.io is basically like the best tool, I think. So over the 6 months, me not selling, actually promoting any digital products, because I've had all those things set up, it still has kept going. And I'm just still really, really boggled about how like amazing that seems compared to the physical business that I started. Oh my gosh, this is like the 5th time I've done this, and I keep getting interrupted, which is really annoying because it's breaking my train of thought. So basically, I stopped selling the digital products, so I stopped promoting them basically for like about 6 months. Everything still kept working. I'm just going to hold this up here now because I'm sick of it falling down. And it was because I had the best systems in place. I had YouTube, which I had made evergreen content about, and because it's front facing, people could trust me and talk to me and comment and things like that, and it was just still getting views, other than, you know, Instagram or TikTok or anything like that, where it just doesn't last as long. So I had that set up. Then I had System.io, which basically sold everything automatically for me. And not only that, but it has the affiliate program as well. So that made that extra sort of ongoing reoccurring income too. It probably also helped that my digital product has got 2 options. It's like a membership or like a one-time payment. I don't know if that's really a main factor. I would say it's more the system setup and how and what I chose to put together that actually made the difference. And yeah, I think that's probably the gist of the video. You'll probably notice now that my content is going to change. I'm going to start doing more videos like this because, like I said, your content has to suit your lifestyle. It has to fit in with what you do, or otherwise it's really unnatural. Like if you look at my other YouTube videos, man, I still do not know how you guys watch that. They're so crusty. It's so embarrassing. And I think it's because looking back on it now, I look at it and I'm like, okay, the reason why I did that was because I had no idea what I was doing in terms of how to connect with people and how to actually get content across in a way that's easy to manage or like produce, I guess. I felt like I had to copy everybody else to make the content good. But if you're authentic and your ideas are really good, then the content's really good. So we'll just see how this video goes. We'll see if you guys like it or not. This is all the real, raw, honest information that you're getting from me. So yeah, if you feel like you want to keep watching these types of videos, which I think you definitely should, because I very much wish that I had somebody talking to me directly like this in their raw, authentic self with actual information, then you can stick around and watch this next video.